Hi crafty friends, Lacey here, the Cheeky Bum, back with another Halloween embellishment box swap reveal, and this one is from Samantha, which is Southern Charm paper, and everything, everything is so cute already. So she sent me this cute little card, and yeah, thank you so much, Samantha, for thinking of me and making me one. I really try, like, I feel like I'm always like really starting to push like the dates lately. I need to like just be in less swaps, I think, as well as hosting my own. I need to like do one or the other because I really liked, I definitely include a hostess gift in every swap, no matter what it is. But I'm not a fast enough crafter to create like 3 of everything. If it's a make 2, get 2, if it's a make 1, get 1, or make 2, get 2, sometimes I can throw in an extra swap in there, but most of the time it's just me making something special for the hostess, but not a whole swap. So I really appreciate you ladies that do this for me because you really don't have to. I wish I was a fast enough crafter and I was able to do it, but between making videos and creating my own, I just don't have the time. But let's get into her swap. She's created this super cute little box, but we're gonna look at her shakers first. I love how she's packaged it. She's even got a little Halloween tag, and she's got this little cat bag topper, but she's done like this it's not like, it's almost like what is the word I'm looking for? Almost like a fishnet, like a glittery fishnet fabric. And then she's done acetate on it as well so that the shakers will come right off. But she's got this Hey Boo shaker that's a candy corn. I have this die. I love it. And then she's got this cauldron here. I love this cauldron. I make this one all the time. I have not made one this year, but I've done it for like Harry Potter. I've done it for quite a few things. So I love making the cauldron. And then we have the little broom. And I have this because I think it comes with a candy corn, but I don't know if I've ever made the broom. I might have to change that up. So, isn't that cute? Look at, she's put little nail charms. I love this spider that's got a jeweled butt. That's really cute. And then here is her embellishment box. So cute. She's used little boo thing, which I love this collection. I think I might end up having to purchase another one. So she's created a shaker box. So cute. Love that. So cute. Look at all the little diamond dots and the little ghosties. Gorgeous. I'm gonna have to like save this box. Maybe reuse it as like a gift. And here is her embellishment box itself. She's put some really cool iridescent, like spiderweb gauzy material, like a chenille. Oh, I don't know what. I don't know. Just like a netting type of material. And then we've talked about this. She's done some press and seal over everything so nothing can get in the mix, or if it opens and spills, it won't spill out. Like you can literally go like this. Being in the military, this is a crafty trick like that we've learned over the years. I do it like all my jewelry, press and seal. All of my beads, charms, everything for moving, press and sealed, because they're not careful when they move your stuff. And when you're moving to other countries, like it gets crazy. So, and it just pulls up like this. Most of the time, the only time I really got a whole like where it's a pain in the ass is with like rhinestones and stuff, but containers have come a long way since back in the day. But yeah, you just go like this, comes off, and all your goodies are in place. Isn't that neat? So in this one, we have some skull flatbacks. So we have, oh, I love this hot pink and white. I think I have white, or maybe it's light pink. I'm not quite sure. Ooh, I haven't seen these. These are cool. And I didn't buy any this year. Isn't that cool? Love the little like skeleton zombie hand. It says rip. Some more of these spiders. And these are actually colors I didn't get. What colors did I get this year? I got pink. I got the turquoise and black, I think. So I don't have any of the light pink, so I'm happy to have those. And I don't have any of the purple. And like these were so crazy because I know a lot of people didn't notice this either. Some of them are shiny and some of them are matte. Like the more neon colored ones are matte. Like this one and the hot pink one that I got were matte. And I think the black one might have been matte too. But these ones got a little shine to them. But aren't those cute? I'm glad to have some colors I didn't have. Love these little ghosties. These were sold out every time I tried to order them, so I didn't actually get any. I have the little flat back spiders. Ooh, there's colors in here that I don't have either. I think I have purple. I have black. And I think I have a pale pink or peach. But I don't have the yellow. There's green in here. There's like a bluish green. There's like clear ones. And then this one that's like not quite black, but not quite purple, like oil slick. So I don't have some of those colors. Ooh, these are really cool beads. They're like a soft touch. I don't know how to explain that, but that one's really cool. And the ghost is like that too. So I don't know where she got these ones out of, but are they polymer clay? I don't know, but they're cool. Some little baddies. And then, oh, here's a witch hat that goes with it. So cute. Oh, and look at this little spider web dangle. That's so cute. Oh, I love that. Love it. We have some pink bones here. And then we have a couple silicone beads. We have some ghosty beads. I love these beads. I ordered like, I think I've ordered them twice now, but I absolutely love them. It's a great shade of pink. It's not too bright, but it's not quite pastel, but you can get away with all this. I love them. And then we have some acrylic charms here. I love this. Thick thighs and spooky vibes. Ooh, what is this? Like a little bracelet or anklet. Ooh, I think that's an anklet. So it's got a little flower. I think it's like a flower with a little heart gemmy. Look at this little ghosty. Another little gemmy and some pearls. Those are cute. And then we have candy corn over here. These are like 3D printed candy corn. These are cool. Those are really cool. I like those. And I like 3D printed stuff because it's very light. And then look at these little baby candy corns. I haven't seen these ones yet either. They're so little and tiny. Little baby candy corns. So cute. Thank you so much, Samantha, for making me one as well. You didn't have to do that, but I definitely appreciate it because I've seen stuff in here that I have not seen yet before. Samantha has also sent in little totes that have treats in them with her swap. So look how cute this little ghost tote is. There was she said that she couldn't find 3 ghost totes, so there's a Frankenstein as well. But I'm a ghosty girl, so I had to grab the ghost. But she's got loaded stuff in here. Look at this. So she's got a Pez, little ghosty Pez. This is not part of the swap, by the way. This is like extra extra goodies. She's even created a beaded pen, and she's got a little clay bit mix in with it. Isn't that cute? She's even got a Bath and Body Works soap. Girlfriend. You're so extra. We have a little ghost list pad. Love these. And I didn't get one for myself, so I'm glad I got that because I got it and put it in with swaps. And then we also have these socks, and I have not seen these ones, so I'm super happy to get these ones because I haven't seen these ones. So cute. And then some ghosty earrings. Look at this. Look how cute those are. Again, you don't have to use these as earrings if you have metal sensitivity. You can always take these off and use them as charms or put them on like some stainless steel hooks or whatever. They do say they're nickel free, but I know some people are super sensitive. So you could re-put them on something that is suitable for you and your allergy type if needed. But girl, I almost forgot about this. So I had finished the video of the box, turned around and was like, oh crap, she's got a tote full of goodies. So this is more of Samantha's swap. So make sure you give her some crafty love over on IG and here on YouTube. She is Southern Charmed Paper. And we'll see you guys in the next swap.